Here's a 60,500 Kenyan shillings kitchen combo with Mika products only. It consists of 3 appliances peke yake. Tuanze hapa, unapata hii top load water dispenser ya Mika. Iko na 2 water taps, the hot and the cold. And then hapa chini iko na a compartment where you can store your water glasses. Naka hivo. Black in color, a very sleek design. Unaipata na only 9,000 Kenyan shillings. Unapata hii 20 liters digital microwave ya Mika. It's a solo microwave. Inakuja na 11 power levels. Iko na 2 years of warranty. Hii inakuja na time and weight defrost. Na inakaa hivi on the inside. It has a very durable glass door. Again, as you can see, it has a sleek design. Unaipata na only 10,500 Kenyan shillings. And lastly, tuko na hii black Mika fridge. Need 197 liters. Iko na 5 years warranty on the compressor. Iko na 2-star energy rating. Kumaanisha it does not consume a lot of power. Na inakaa hivi. It's a no frost. Kumaanisha it eliminates the need for manual defrosting. Iko na a very wide compartment sitting on the inside. Iko na humidity control pale chini for your vegetables, groceries ama fruits. Na iko na a fresh zone hapa. Na hii unaipata na only 41,000 Kenyan shillings. Hii deal unaipata only at Atenza Home Appliances, where home is always simplified for you. You can shop these products on our website to go by www.atenzahomeappliances.co.ke, or you can visit our physical store located the former Nakumatt Lifestyle, which is currently Naivas Lifestyle, Mezzanine 1, shop number 2.